How to unblock YouTube channel. So if you want to unblock a YouTube channel, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with youtube.com and make sure that you've logged into your YouTube. After logging in, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile shaped icon. Go with the profile. From the profile, you need to go with YouTube Studio. And on the YouTube Studio, you need to just go with settings, which is here on the left side. Go with settings, which is on the bottom left. Here you need to go with community moderation and go with automated filters. And here, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of hidden channels. So in my case, I've not blocked anyone or I've not hidden anyone. But if you've hidden some users or if you've blocked some users on YouTube, then you will have those persons right here. You can just simply click on the cross icon and you'll be able to unblock or unhide that user. So that's how you can unblock the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.